And now a shocking story out of California where inmates at an LA County jail tried to infect themselves with the coronavirus. The men shared water and a mask, and within 2 weeks, dozens of prisoners tested positive. CBS's Laura Podesta shows us the video that authorities say proved the strange operation.
Watch closely in the surveillance video as inmates work to infect themselves with the coronavirus. The LA County Sheriff says the man to the right of your screen is carrying a water bottle, which he passes to another man who takes a sip. The bottle is set down momentarily, then picked up by the initial carrier and passed to a different inmate who also takes a swig.
It's sad to think that someone deliberately tried to expose himself to COVID-19.
Another part of the video shows inmates sharing a styrofoam cup and passing a mask around, sniffing it. Sheriff Alex Villanueva says within 2 weeks of these videos being recorded, 30 inmates tested positive.
Somehow there was some mistaken belief among the inmate population that if they tested positive, that there was a way to force our hand and somehow release more inmates out of our jail environment.
The Sheriff's Department released more than 5,000 inmates recently to create more social distancing, but they had to meet certain qualifications, including being within 60 days of their regular release date. Nationwide, jails and prisons have become hotspots. More than 25,000 inmates have been infected, and an estimated 350 have died, according to a tally by UCLA Law. This woman says she didn't get to say goodbye to her 67-year-old brother who was being held at this correctional facility in Hartsville, Tennessee.
No one contacted me, ever, until he was dying.
In the LA County case, no inmates have died, and none have admitted to the scheme to infect themselves. Laura Podesta, CBS News.
Yesterday, 10 million surgical masks were sent to correctional facilities across the country through a criminal justice reform program started by rapper Jay-Z.